Hello guys, welcome back, and we're going to be making a beautiful experiment, which is actually what I had left out, which is all of this. So all we need to do is dump it in some water.
Dump it in the water, or you put the water up in there.
I'm so confused because he keeps telling me he don't want me to do nothing. But
Okay,
then he's
so-
looking for me to do something.
So
You have to put the water in the if we doing the experiment, Jacob.
so we put the water in here.
Good job, Jake. Good job. Oh.
Whoa! Now look what we got.
You put the gloves on, son. Wash your hands off.
I'm sorry.
No,
Okay.
It's okay. Wash your hands.
I can't wash it.
You gotta wash them off. Wash that stuff off.
Can we make it again?
Yeah, we can do it again. Yeah. Look how beautiful it is. The
Wow.
suds. Yeah, ain't that something?
Wash your hands with the soap.
Oh my god, it's not
Like
COVID.
that.
It's not COVID, guys. I mean,
Yeah, but this shit'll kill you faster than COVID. How you like that?
no,
Yes, it will.
don't kill me.
It's for kids. They wouldn't even
Okay.
Good job, son. Now this is the end result. You can show it off to everybody, to the camera. To everybody what you
Okay,
think.
so
we're gonna have to edit out them parts.
should we do it again, like a revisit?
And voila.
So we got our beautiful bubbly explosion.
Wow.
This is actually made by mixing a lot of chemicals and creates this cool little puff. We also need some beautiful gloves because this actually can get dangerous. Even though it's like for kids edition, it's still coming out of the side. Do you think it will kill you if you touch it?
Good job, dude.
Do you think it will kill you if you touch it?
They won't kill you if you touch it. But you should always wear your safety gloves.
Yeah. So wear safety gloves for this experiment if we're gonna be working with this. So I want to do a revisit. What we're gonna do? Pour it.
We could make another one.
Let's
We
pour
could
it.
do it. Yeah, pour it out.
Um,
I wanted to see the rainbow explosion. That's what we had to put the red stuff.
How are we gonna get it out?
It's just suds. You can rinse it out with
Rinse
the
it
water.
out with water.
Well, it's gonna make another pop.
No, it won't. It'll run out. Yeah, hold it like that. It'll run right out. See, it's clean it out now. See?
Kind of like bubbly soda. So like clean glassware.
Make sure you put on your safety gloves next time for your next experiment.
Okay.
So the next time they say to add the red powder, the cabbage powder, into the beaker, and then when we add that water into the tube. That's what we gotta do for the next one.
Okay, so now I'm wearing my safety gloves. Wait.
And you could leave the tube in this holder. It'll be easier, so you don't have to keep holding
Wait,
it.
how am I gonna get it out? It's the one finger stuck.
That's put this over here. This is your thumb right here.
Jimmy, shut up. We're not playing.
She thinks that I'm attacking you.
Now how am I gonna get this?
You gotta find your finger. You got 5 fingers and 5 slots.
There you go. Put your thumb
Put it
in
over.
first. There you go.
Always
Thumb in.
spread your fingers out. That helps.
Good job.
Okay. So now we're gonna recreate this.
Okay.
All right.
So can we do the rainbow
So I think he
explosion?
wants to set
Yeah.
you to set up everything for him.
Yep.
And then you can.
Okay.
So guys, so we're gonna be doing the rainbow explosion. So what we're gonna do for this is we're going to add. Get the bug over here. So it says for a rainbow explosion, we need put 1 big scoop of sodium carbonate. So this is the baking soda.
Get your scoop in.
Let me get this. Taking one scoop. So we get one scoop. So I have to add more.
Good job.
Put it inside of here. So now I dropped some of it, but so it says to add 1 big scoop of the citric acid. Citric acid is actually perfuming crystals. So you can see we gotta be very careful because there'll be like a little lemon. It can also be found in lemons. So we pour it into here. A little bit.
Good job.
And says we need a dish soap. Now we add 1 drop. Okay. I gotta add 2 drops there, but and then we add.
We already have the water.
And we have some of this water to beaker.
Now we have to add this.
We have the red cabbage powder.
It says 1 small scoop.
So 1 small scoop for red cabbage powder. Wait, do I have the water?
We already added the water in there. We just have to add the scoop to the
I didn't add the water.
No. We're adding this powder to the water. You understand?
Yeah. We have this.
Yep, add it in.
So we add red cabbage to the water and see kind of like soda.
Show the camera.
And we pour it right here.
Wow,
Now
look at
this
that
is
color.
gonna watch the explosion happen.
Watch the explosion.
Go ahead.
Wow.
Now,
It didn't cause no explosion.
Look at it. It's still
so it didn't cause no explosion.
But look at it though, it's still going, it's rising up.
It smells so stinky.
Look at it, it's rising up.
Yeah. Whoa! It's rising! Do we add some water?
No, I think it's gonna rise on its own.
It say it's supposed to be a multicolor explosion.
So it's not done yet. Wow, look at that.
So it's not done.
Look at it go, man. Wow.
So it says that.
Can you hold this for him?
So you can see it's rising up to the halfway point. Now we can hear one. We have this other beaker to do something with. Oh, it's coming. It's turning pink. Oh, and what we got? What we got?
It's okay.
It's coming out kind of like Pepto-Bismol, actually.
Good job. Look at that.
Wow. Ooh, whoa.
And therefore, you have a pink explosion.
Now
It's changing colors.
Whoa! Now, therefore, we have a color-changing explosion. Now, do we need to take tests of what we got?
You can.
Wow.
Now it's
What do we do?
You gotta pull the syringe up.
Pull it up. And then stick it in there. And then. No. You
No,
pull
it's
it
out
up
of the
in there.
cup.
You pull it up. You use 2 hands. You hold it right there where you got it. Now
We add some.
Push that part
push
down.
this part down. Push this in. There you go. All right, make sure it's in. Okay, now use the other hand. Here, hold it. And put it over the top of that. Put it in there just a
Now
little
pull
bit.
up the top part.
Pull it up just a little bit. Now slowly pull up the top part.
And it's gonna take some of it.
Take some of it.
Pull it up.
Yeah, keep it in there. Though. Pull it up. There you go. Start pulling that up.
Why is it not working?
Because you're not putting enough pressure.
Pull. There you go. See that? It's filling up in there. See that?
Yeah, and now we add some.
Good job.
Now we add to this little cup.
Well, I thought it was gonna explode. Like
What we say?
What was it?
cold and hot fizz.
Now we add.
Not take too much. A Geyser.
Look at that. 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 Look at that.
Now this is cool. You could blow up a balloon with gas. It says you need a test tube, citrus acid, baking soda, a balloon.
Good job, Jacob. Good job, scientist chick.
Okay, now we created our little thing. Now we left with a small, but yield came out to be about 24 grams.
I think we should
But
try
it's
this
actually
one.
pretty liquidy. It's actually because of the explosion that was leaking because it was rising on its own. Probably
Good
because
job.
it's probably had a lot of chemicals that we put in. But it's actually pretty cool. Just for a number of patients. I'll do it. Now I add some more to see what the yield actually looks like now.
The link is like it. It used to be so dark.
Jiffy, what do you want? You just keep
Outside?
wanting.
Outside?
No, she done been outside 8 times.
She thinks she's gonna get something. She got. I can't let you outside. I don't live here. No.
Okay.
I can't do nothing. I don't live here. I'm not your master anymore.
So stinky.
Are you ready to move on to the
Jiffy.
new experiment?
Yeah.
National
We could blow up a
Geographic
balloon with the gas.
Study.
Ooh.
Science, chemistry, sex.
Now we got 48 grams of this. Now should we pour it back in?
Yeah, or you can pour it in the sink.
We pour it back in. When we pour it back in, you can see the dark red color. Now what do? We pour it in the sink, right?
Yep. And rinse it out.
So we put it back in the sink.
It's okay. It's all right. Don't worry.
Popped out that part.
There you go.
So we got still a little bit of some citric acid solution from earlier. I mean, it's kind of wasteful using chemicals that you already have down there. Now we got clean glassware. Now we can probably do a geyser.
Use that to clean off the bottom of that.
Now, what we usually have to do is now we're going to move on to the geyser one.
Oh, I thought you wanted to do the balloon.
We're going to do the geyser.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I clean the bottom of it.
Science lab.
Now, I don't know where the other part went.
Wait, let me see. There's still some stuff in
Yeah, I tried scrubbing it out. It was like one of those acids.
there. Okay, hold on. Let's clean up the area.
I'm gonna clean up the area because I don't want to wait so much long. Also, this is actually because that citric acid is come from lemons. It actually has an interesting history. You can actually use this for safety.
It might be a little hard to see.
Yeah, you know what?
But you can make focus eye, heart.
Yeah, so what do we do?
Okay.
So we got this sensitive. Okay, so now.
Hold on. We ain't ready. Pause it up till we get ready.
Man, I have to take the gloves.
No, you don't.
Yeah, stay